Why is fairy makeup so enchanting? It's like wearing a little dream. It brings smiles and sparkles and a touch of magic to any day. Fairy makeup isn't just paint, it's a sprinkle of joy. Like finding a shiny button in your pocket or a smooth pebble on the beach, it's playful, brightening the everyday with a bit of wonder. Anyone can enjoy it, young or old. It's all about feeling light and happy. Imagine floating on a breeze with glittering wings. It's a way to show your inner sunshine and add a little magic to your look. Let's explore this world of soft colours and shimmering lights, like dewdrops on leaves or rainbows after spring rain. Fairy makeup is a journey into joy and creativity. So let's begin our adventure, discovering all the fun and sparkle. It's going to be enchanting, full of smiles and magic. Ready to add a little fairy dust to your day? Let's see how a touch of shimmer can transform you. With every brush stroke, you're creating a bit of happiness. It's not just about looking pretty, it's about feeling special. So are you ready to step into this magical world? Let's start our fairy makeup adventure together. Get ready for sparkles and smiles and a little bit of wonder. The magic begins now. Fairies fill our favorite stories, tiny, magical, and full of charm. They live in flowers or mushroom houses, always bringing a touch of wonder. Think of Tinkerbell, zipping by in a flash of light and pixie dust, or the flower fairies dressed in petals and glowing with gentle beauty. Their style is delicate, sparkling, and full of colour. It's no wonder their look has inspired makeup trends. We see their shimmering wings and wish for that magic ourselves. Makeup artists took inspiration from dewdrops, butterfly wings, and moonbeams. They created looks with soft colours and bright shimmers. It's about capturing that fairy essence, light, joyful, and magical. With every pastel and sparkle, you bring a bit of storybook magic to life. Fairy-inspired makeup lets you feel as light and joyful as the fairies themselves. It's a wish for beauty and a touch of wonder, so let's take inspiration from these tiny friends. Add a little shimmer, a soft hue, and let your imagination play. You're not just wearing makeup, you're wearing a bit of fairy tale. Let your look tell a magical story. Embrace the sparkle, the softness, the fantasy. Fairy style is about feeling enchanted inside and out. Share the magic. Let your fairy side shine. The adventure continues with every brush of colour. What gives fairy makeup its magic? Sparkles and soft hues. Sparkles are like tiny stars catching the light and making you glow. They can be bold or barely there, but always enchanting. A little shimmer on your skin feels like a moonbeam's kiss. It's the heart of the fairy look, radiant and special. Then come the pastels, pale pinks, gentle lilacs, sky blues, minty greens. These colors are soothing, like a soft song for your skin. Pastels bring calm and a dreamy, delicate vibe. They're whispers of color, never overwhelming. When you blend soft pastels with shimmering sparkles, true fairy magic happens. It's a feast for the eyes, pure delight and enchantment. This combination transforms your look into something otherworldly. It's about feeling light, bright, and a little bit magical. Let your makeup be a gentle escape into fantasy. Choose colors that make you feel happy and free. Add a touch of shimmer where the light hits. The result? A look that's both calming and captivating. Fairy makeup is about subtle beauty and joyful sparkle. Mix, match, and play until you find your perfect fairy glow. Let your face become a canvas for magic. The secret is in the shimmer and the softness. Ready for fairy makeup? It's simple and fun. Start with clean, moisturized skin. Choose pastel eyeshadow and sweep it over your lids. Add shimmer to the center for a bright look. Now sparkles. Use skin-safe glitter on cheekbones. For lips, pick a soft pink gloss. Add rosy blush for a fresh glow. The goal is a natural, radiant look. Fairy makeup is about expressing your joy and creativity. Smile and let your fairy glow shine through. Have you seen claymation films where characters come alive frame by frame? It's pure magic, soft colors, glowing lights, and endless imagination. These films use gentle hues and sparkles to create enchanting worlds. Think of magical forests or starlit skies, all crafted with care. The visuals pull you into a fantasy, making you believe in the impossible. Fairy makeup is a bit like that, creating your own fantasy on your face. You become the artist and the star of your own magical story. Soft pastels and shimmering highlights set the scene. Each brushstroke is like directing a tiny film full of wonder. The colors and light create atmosphere and awe. It's about stepping into a crafted world. Even for a moment, let your makeup tell a story, one of beauty, magic, and joy. You're the creator of your own enchantment. Every look is a new adventure, a happy ending waiting to happen. Use color and shimmer to bring your dreams to life. Let your imagination guide your hand. Fairy makeup is your personal fantasy made real. Embrace the art, the play, the transformation. You hold the magic right at your fingertips. Step into your story and shine. Isn't that a wonderful thought? Fairy makeup is about more than looking pretty. It's about play. Dive into colors and textures like a child with a new paint box. Let your imagination lead the way. What will you create today? There's joy in transformation, even if it's just for a moment. A few sparkles and soft hues and you become a little magical. It's a light, happy feeling, like wearing a cloak of confidence. Express your creativity. There are no rules here. Want more glitter? Go for it. Prefer subtle pastels? That's perfect too. Your face is your canvas. Show your inner sparkle. Let the world see your magic. A touch of shimmer can brighten any day. Small things like a bit of glitter can bring big smiles. It's self-care, joy and creativity all in one. Fairy makeup lifts your spirits and spreads happiness. Share your light. Let your fairy side shine. Every look is a celebration of you. Play, experiment and enjoy the magic. Brighten your day and maybe someone else's too. It's your time to sparkle. Fairy makeup lets you dream with your eyes open. It connects us to magical stories and our playful side. It's a bit of childhood you can wear every day. A reminder to find magic in the ordinary. Beauty can be fun, light and full of laughter. It's about feeling good and spreading joy. A smile is the best accessory. Sparkles make it brighter. Use makeup to express who you are or who you want to be. Let your imagination soar on sparkly wings. Don't be afraid to try new things. There are no mistakes, only happy surprises. Every attempt is a step toward joy. Grab your favorite pastels and shiniest sparkles. Create your own everyday magic. Let your inner fairy shine for the world to see. The world needs more sparkle and happy faces. Be one of them. Share your light. Shine on, magical being. Embrace the joy and playfulness. Have an enchanting time wherever you go. Remember, the magic is always with you. Sparkle on.